YouTube. Let's do Parcels, Something Greater. Let's see, here's the easiest way to play it, and I think this is how it's being played on the intro. So that is, now there's 4 chords here, but we're only playing 3 shapes. This shape, the first shape, we're just playing it like this. And then we take off our middle and ring finger, and we just play a minor 7 chord like this. 1 finger. And then we go up the same shape we played at the 9th fret, we move that up to the 11th. That's our 3rd chord. And then we move it back down to the 9th. And that and then, like, I think sometimes they're doing like a little hammer-ons and pull-offs with your middle and ring fingers. You can hammer onto this 12th fret, B string. Here's another way you could play it. When I watched that acoustic version of it they did, that's how one of the guys was playing it. This is just like your F shape you learn when you begin the guitar. But we're playing it on the 7th fret. So that is a B, just be a B major. To A major. And then one of the guitars, there's several guitars on the recording, several guitar parts, but during the chorus, they're just playing octaves, one of the guitars, and that's high E on the 12th fret and G string at the 9th fret. And then you move that up 2 frets, so now you're at the 14th on the high E, and the 11th on the G string. That's the Parcels, Something Greater. Cool song. Thanks for watching. Bye.